Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Money is currently flooding this market right now, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all the top two stocks that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for today. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions, like we always do here on this channel. Now, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, and also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell, that way you don't miss out on these videos, right? Let's begin right off the bat. The SPY right now is pushing slightly higher, which is a good sign. All right. We got above 4,500. My thoughts and opinions on the SPY are not changing. I'm not changing my opinions. I told y'all that we could make our way all the way up to 4,600. And I honestly think that that may happen today. I do. So watch the market. Just watch for just money to flow into the market. Depending on how fast it gets up there. If it gets up there really fast, then there may be a massive pullback. Like throughout like a big portion of today, which may catch some people off guard. All right. So just be mindful of that. But as of right now, again, we're still bullish on the market, and therefore, I think that you should be looking for that move. Now, the first stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for today. That stock, that stock is Square. All right, let's talk about Square really quickly. Let's talk about it. Now, Square. The reason why I want to share this one with y'all is because of this. If you go on the daily, it's been beaten down from the highs of $289 all the way down below $100. Well, maybe not below $100. It actually got to exactly $100. Yeah, exactly $100. All right, and right now it's just trying to make its way back up. It's curling. It is. It is there. It's gonna open up at like 127, and I think it's going to go higher. Is there some news on the left hand side? Nah, well, maybe, yeah, y'all can see that on the side. Again, we don't trade based off of news here. The structure that I want to show y'all on this chart is on the 1 hour, and it's right here. If you go on here and you look at, if you just zoom in to this side right over here, you can clearly see that there is this trend that actually broke right through. It's right there. It broke out yesterday. This is a it's a change of direction. It's nice, right? I'm good. Let me just click on here and let me just go all the way to the side. So we got the floor right over here, the double bottom, and then we got the breakout yesterday, and today is just a continuation of that. Where are we going to go next? If you're a long-term investor, again, like you should have been buying, you should have been accumulating shares, right? If you're a long-term investor, if you are a trader, you should have gotten yesterday. Like yesterday was like the best time to actually buy this thing. Now, where is this thing going to go? It's going to go all the way up to like 133 before we see some type of like pullback. All right, so that's the first one that you should be keeping on your watch list. Later on, it will provide other opportunities to go higher, but we just need new structures. All right, so at first I expect 133. 133 is where I think it will go. Maybe even 137 before it pulls back down. All right. Now, the second stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list. I actually shared this one. I believe it was on Saturday. I'm gonna like put the video up here. It was on one of the weekend videos. I told y'all that this stock was going to make a massive rebound. MRNA. All right, and mRNA looks really good still. Like we've been talking about that one for a very long time. Yesterday it actually broke out above this flag right here, and there was magical unicorn news in the middle of the day. And the magical unicorn news that showed up was their vac being approved by the FDA. I think it's full approval now. So, and now all of the like this stock along with like the BNTX and Novavax, all of them are up, and they look like they want more. I definitely think that they're gonna go all the way up. Like this one specifically, is going to go all the way up to like at least $185 at least, at most 200, at most, but at least $185. If you in this, it's okay to just take money off the table as it climbs. All right, my thoughts and opinions are not changing with MRNA at all. So this is the second stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. Again, y'all always ask some wonderful, wonderful questions. So the first one is TA. All right, let's talk about TA. And right now, the first thing that I see immediately is the double bottom right there. Well, let me just draw this line of, there we go. All right, and the double bottom is right here. And if we get above it, what's going to happen when we do get above, which I think it will, it's gonna go all the way up to $48. It's going to consolidate and then it's gonna go higher. I'm not bearish on this one. If you look on the daily, yeah, it's trying to make its way back up. It's doing what it previously has done in the past when it gets down to these levels. All right, this is I would say it's a clean buy. I would say it's a clean buy. I have no problem with this one. We got the bullish engulfing candle yesterday, and now we got the morning star. We got this one followed by this, followed by that. Combination of these three, morning star. The next one is usually bullish, and I think the trend is going to continue for TA. So yeah, my thoughts and opinions since I first mentioned it right here are not changing, are really not changing. I think we go higher. Now the next one that somebody asked about, oh yeah, Pfizer. Somebody asked about PFE. All right, now with PFE, this one is not doing too well. Like it is the only vaccine company that's not moving after it actually moved inversely to BNTX and Moderna after that news, which is a bit weird because the vac for Pfizer is actually a combo between Pfizer slash BNTX. That's like the brand of it. So I'm surprised that this one didn't move, or it moved the opposite direction. But hey, the market does what the market wants, and the charts pretty much roll. As you can see, it rejected off of this previous level of support. So am I really surprised about this turnaround? No, not really. I think it's going to go lower, and there's a gap right here at $45. The downtrend is there. The downtrend is strong, so don't fight the downtrend. It constantly has the habit of doing that gap bounce. It bounces over here, it bounces over here. The next thing down is like it's gonna bounce all the way at 47, right? It may do some like little bit of movements and earnings, like oh, and people get excited and then it immediately falls again, right? So that is kind of like what I'm seeing with the stock, just a continuous downtrend and more of these retests, more of these little things right over here, right? So that's what I'm seeing with the stock. Now the last one that we're gonna talk about, that one is a stock that we've been watching in the Discord. It's actually Roblox, right? And Roblox, it formed a very like bullish pattern yesterday, and I shared it with everybody. Some people made money on it, and I told them watch the thing at the open, along with Lucid. This is Lucid. Roblox also did the same thing, same structure, same time, same everything, right? So yeah, so the entry was supposed to be here, and where's it gonna go next? I think the highest that it will go at least today is like $32. I think I'm still bullish on it. I think it's gonna go higher. I definitely think it's gonna get higher. So let me see on here. The daily, yeah, the daily is at a good place for long-term investors. If you're a long-term investor and you love Lucid, I think this is the place to actually start accumulating shares. Not financial advice, of course, but yeah, that is a good spot to start buying shares. All right, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:20 a.m. This one might be released at like 8:28, maybe 8:27. Yeah. The post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you would like to be part of a private Discord community, that way you can get all of this information in real time, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you are not following us on social media, you can find me at NGumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below, step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.